The TECHART Porsche 911 Turbo S is a luxury sports car that has been custom-tuned for an even more exceptional driving experience. The exterior is characterized by its sleek aerodynamic design, which enhances its performance and handling on the road. The body is made of lightweight materials, including carbon fiber and titanium, which give the car a low center of gravity and improve stability. The front of the car features a sleek, angular design with TECHART's signature grille, while the rear is dominated by the sporty, dual exhaust system and stylish TECHART badges. The car sits on custom lightweight TECHART alloy wheels that provide a distinctive look and improved performance. Additionally, the car comes with advanced lighting technology, including LED headlights, taillights, and fog lights, which ensure a bright and clear view of the road ahead. Even in challenging conditions, the car is a work of art when it comes to its exterior design. Its aerodynamic shape, lightweight materials, and custom-tuned performance make it one of the most impressive sports cars on the road today. Whether you're looking for style, performance, or both, the TECHART Porsche 911 Turbo S is a car that is sure to turn heads and deliver a driving experience unlike any other. The interior is a true work of art, combining luxury, comfort, and technology in a way that is both elegant and functional. The cabin features high-quality materials, including fine leather, suede, and carbon fiber, all of which are carefully crafted and precisely finished to create a luxurious and sophisticated environment. The front and rear seats are both ergonomically designed and feature comfortable and supportive cushioning, making long drives a true pleasure. One of the standout features of the car interior is its advanced infotainment system, which includes a high-resolution touchscreen display, an advanced sound system, and a variety of connectivity options. This system provides drivers with access to a range of entertainment and navigation features, including satellite navigation, music streaming, and hands-free calling. Additionally, the system integrates seamlessly with the car's advanced safety features, including advanced driver assistance systems, lane departure warning, and blind spot monitoring, to help drivers stay safe and in control. Another key aspect of the car interior is its bespoke customization options. Whether you prefer a more traditional, classic look or a more modern and sporty style, TECHART offers a range of options to help you create a car that is truly one of a kind. You can choose from a range of colors and finishes for the leather and suede upholstery, as well as custom carbon fiber accents and finishes. Additionally, you can choose from a range of customization options for the infotainment system and the car's advanced lighting, which allows you to create a car that is truly unique to you. The TECHART Porsche 911 Turbo S is powered by a high-performance 3.8-liter twin-turbocharged flat-6 engine that delivers an impressive 650 horsepower and 800 Newton-meters of torque. This engine is paired with an advanced 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission that provides quick and smooth shifts, making the car an absolute joy to drive. The result is a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of just 2.8 seconds, making the TECHART Porsche 911 Turbo S one of the fastest sports cars on the road today. One of the key aspects of the TECHART Porsche 911 Turbo S power and performance is its advanced exhaust system. This system features TECHART's signature sport exhaust system, which provides a deep, aggressive exhaust note that is sure to turn heads. The sport exhaust system features high-performance catalytic converters and mufflers, which help to reduce emissions and improve the car's overall performance. Additionally, the exhaust system is fully customizable, allowing drivers to choose from a range of different options and configurations to create a car that is truly one of a kind. Another key aspect of the TECHART Porsche 911 Turbo S power and performance is its advanced aerodynamics. The car's sleek aerodynamic design helps to reduce drag and improve handling, while its lightweight materials and advanced suspension system help to ensure that the car stays planted and stable on the road. Additionally, the car features advanced driving dynamics, including rear-wheel steering, torque vectoring, and active suspension management, which all work together to provide an incredibly responsive and agile driving experience. We hope you found this video informative and enjoyable. We would love to hear your thoughts on the new model in the comments below. Please let us know what you liked about the vehicle and if there's anything you would have liked to see differently.